everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. In today's video, I will be giving you tips to my in-depth cleaning the bathroom. First, let's clear everything out of the bathroom before you begin to clean. Get everything off the sinks, the toilet top, and anything on any open shelves. Clear everything out. Let's gather all of our cleaning supplies, which will include the glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, Lysol sanitizer, scrub brush, daily shower cleaner, Pledge, Swiffer mopping pads, the Swiffer mop, broom, and dustpan. I will begin sweeping the floor first to get everything that might have fallen out of the trash can and any debris that may get tracked through the bedroom. Tip 1. Always start from the ceiling and work your way down to the floor. Remember to dust the fans and get any cobwebs from the ceiling and any other debris. Next, I will use the Pledge on my wooden furniture and make sure all of the dust and the watermarks or any other debris is cleaned off. All of the decor items that I had on here, I will clean off and then put them back up and fill up the toilet rolls, put my son's medicine and any remaining stuff in the cabinets. Here is what the final outcome looks like. The sink and the faucet are sanitized, and I used water and mild soap to wash the front of the cabinets around to the sides and washed all the baseboards. All the mirrors were Windexed, the light bulbs and the fixtures were washed down with soap and water as well. All of the walls wiped down with soap and water, and the shower doors I Windexed inside and out and used the scrubble bubbles on the wall and the ground of the shower and scrubbed everything with a hard bristle brush. And then I rinsed everything off with water. I also sprayed the shower freshener around that is infused with the Yangling. I also sanitized the trash can and sanitized the toilet bowl cleaner, brush, plunger, and the holder. The toilet was also cleaned all around inside and out, and then I swept again and mopped the floor squeaky clean. As the final touches, I always like to light a cinnamon candle. Thank you so much for watching, and please click subscribe below and click on the bell to know when new content comes out every Friday and some bonuses during the week. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you everyone, and I hope everyone has a wonderful week.